Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 GMC Acadia. Stock number is A7739A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, cloth interior. Second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera. And this Acadia is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, as you can see, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Acadia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.